Zebronics Zeb-county Bluetooth speaker, built-in FM radio, aux input and call function. Product description: zeb-county is a compact and handy portable speaker that comes with multi-connectivity options like wireless BT, USB, micro SD and aux. The speaker comes with a call function, along with a built-in FM radio too. Features: wireless Bluetooth, supports USB and MSD card, built-in FM radio, aux input, call function, media, volume control, built-in rechargeable battery. Compact design: zeb-county comes in an old boom box design with a handy strap on the top. The buttons and functions are easy to find on the top. Multi-connectivity options: the speaker comes with multi-connectivity options like wireless BT, USB, micro SD and aux. The speaker comes with a call function along with a built-in FM radio too. The speaker also provides playback time up to 10 hours. Choose your color. Make your listening experience even more colorful, as the speaker comes in a variety of colors of black, blue, red, gray and green. Technical details: speaker type, outdoor, product dimensions, 9 by 14.8 by 12.8 centimeters, 390 grams. Batteries: 1 lithium polymer batteries required. Included. Model number: zeb-county.